So friends, now let's see one of the passage from Burlington. Okay, reading passage 1. You should spend about 20 minutes on question 1 to 13 which are based on reading passage 1 below. Okay, graffiti. Graffiti, historical evidence or vandalism. Okay, so this is the title of the passage, graffiti. Historical evidence. Evidence means proof. Okay, vandalism means damage. Okay, damage to the public or private property. Okay, damage to public or private property. Okay, and what do you mean by graffiti? Graffiti means writings or drawings scribbled, scratched or sprayed on a wall in a public place. Okay, so what do you mean by graffiti? Graffiti means writing or drawings scribbled, scratched or sprayed on a wall in a public place. Okay, and evidence means proof, and vandalism means damage to public or private property. Okay, so as the title of the passage suggest, graffiti, historical evidence or vandalism, so we can assume that there must be something regarding graffiti. Okay, in this entire passage. Okay, so as we are seeing, ABCD is already mentioned. Okay, so let's quickly read our questions. Okay, ABCD is already mentioned, so there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 paragraph. Okay, A to F, there are 6 paragraph A to F. Okay, okay, so now let's quickly see our types of question. As ABCD is mentioned, so we can assume that there must be a question type known as list of heading, which will definitely come. If A to F is ABCD is mentioned, we can assume that if ABCD is mentioned in our paragraph, that then we can assume that list of heading questions can come. Okay, we can predict. Okay, we can predict from that. Okay, so let's see. Question 1 to 6. Reading passage 1 has 6 paragraph A to F. Okay. Choose the correct heading of the for the paragraphs A to F from the list of headings below. Okay. So these are the list of headings. Okay. These are the list of headings. These are numerical numbers. Okay. Roman numericals number. Okay. Roman numerical numbers, and we have to write these numerical numbers in our answer sheet. Okay. In front of our question. Okay, in our answer sheet. Okay, write the correct number 1 to 8 in boxes 1 to 6 on your answer sheet. Okay, so let's quickly read it. One instance of a linguistic rarity. Okay, instance means example. Okay, one example of a linguistic rarity. Okay, so what do you mean by rarity? Rarity means, so rarity means the state or quality of being rare. Okay, rarity means the state or quality of being rare. Okay, the best example of a family history. Best example of a family history. Number 3, levels of literacy in the public area. Okay, levels of literacy means they are talking about education. Okay, levels of literacy, education or knowledge. Okay, in the public arena. Okay, similarities between ancient and modern. Okay, ancient means old and modern. Okay, the graffiti debate continues. Debate means argument. Okay. Okay, what official records can tell us? Official records can tell us. Okay, understudied graffiti examples. Okay, understudied graffiti examples. Okay, understudied means what do you mean by understudied graffiti examples? Means less known. Okay, so understudied means less understandable, understandable. Okay, less understandable graffiti examples. Okay, 8, from small beginnings to mixed reactions. Okay, so these are our keywords. Okay, we have to look for these lines. Okay, we have to look for these lists of headings in our paragraphs. Okay, in our A paragraph, B paragraph, C, D, E and F paragraph. Okay, so let's quickly move towards our next question type. Okay, question 7 to 10. Do the following statement agree with the claims of the writer in the reading passage 1? In the boxes 7 to 10 on your answer sheet, write yes if the statement agrees, no if the statement contradicts, and not given if it is impossible to say what the writer thinks about this. Okay, let's quickly read it. 7 number, the majority. Okay, majority of people are wrong about the origins of graffiti. Okay, we have to look for the origins of graffiti. Majority of people are wrong. Okay, majority of the people are wrong about the origins of the graffiti. Okay. 8, analyzing graffiti is a complex and challenging task. Okay, analyzing graffiti means understanding graffiti. Understanding. Okay, understanding graffiti is a complex and a challenging task. Yes. Okay. Number 9, graffiti is a useful source of information about how people once lived. Okay, graffiti is a useful source of information, a great source of information. Okay, about how people once lived. Okay, means graffiti provide information about the people who are living, how they are living in past. Okay, graffiti provide that type of information. Okay, so here what they are asking, graffiti is a useful source of information about how people once lived. Okay, once lived means they are talking about the past. Okay, how people in the past, how they have lived their life. Okay, graffiti reveals that thing. Okay, so it is a useful source of information. Okay, number 10, graffiti about issues that affect women is less significant than other social commentary. Okay, so in this question what they are asking, that graffiti about the issues that affect women is less significant. Okay, what they are saying, graffiti which are okay, here what they are saying graffiti which reflects the issues which are related to women are less significant than social commentary. Okay, what they are saying in this line, that graffiti which reflect the issues of the women are less significant than the other social commentary. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, so now let's quickly move towards our next question type, that is the 11 to 13 questions. 11 to 13. Okay, choose the correct letter A, B, C or D. Okay, write the correct letter in the boxes 11 to 13 on your answer sheet. Okay, so this is a type of MCQs. 11, although the writing in the Roman graffiti is simple. Although the writing in the Roman graffiti is simple. Okay, A, it is difficult to interpret. Okay, interpret means understand, it is difficult to understand. B, it remains relatively hidden. Okay, it remains relatively hidden. C, it reveals important aspects of the society. Reveals means it disclose the important aspect of the society. D, it is still published in history books. It is still published in history books. Okay, we have to Take our right option from these A, B, C and D. Okay. So let's move forward. 12 number. The writer suggests that during certain times in history, graffiti. The writer suggests that during certain times in history, graffiti. Let's see the option. Was the sole method of documenting events. Was the sole method of documenting events. Okay. B. Was considered a public disgrace. Okay. C. Was erased from monuments. Erased means removed from monuments. D. Did not incorporate the author's name. Okay. Did not incorporate the author's name. Okay. Number 13. The writer concludes, okay, by suggesting that graffiti artists will be revered throughout the world. Okay. What do you mean by revered? Revered means admired. Okay, admired or to feel great respect. Okay, graffiti artists will be admired throughout the world. Number B option. Graffiti will continue to leave a lasting legacy. Okay. C. Some countries will make graffiti a legal art form. Okay. D. The general public will come to see graffiti as a art. General public. Okay. So let's see. So with this we have marked our keywords. So now let's quickly move towards our paragraphs and now let's quickly read it. Okay. So we have to understand each paragraph very well for the list of heading. Okay. We have to give a heading for these entire paragraphs. Okay. So now let's quickly read it. So the first paragraph, graffiti, okay, is the drawing of images or writing on the wall or other public monuments and property without permission from the owners or the relevant authority. Okay. So what they are saying here, they are saying that graffiti is the drawing of images or writing on the wall or other public monument and property without permission. Okay, without permission from the owners or the relevant authority. Okay. Most people might believe that graffiti is a relatively modern phenomenon. Okay, most people think that graffiti is a relatively modern phenomena. Okay, modern phenomena means they are thinking, most of the people think that graffiti is the event or activity of the modern society. Okay, yet this practice has existed since ancient times. But this practice has existed since ancient times. Okay, from the Romans to the Greeks, right up to the modern day. Okay, what here they are saying, that they are saying that most people think that graffiti is a relatively modern activity, but this practice has existed since ancient time, from Roman to the Greek, right up to the modern day, means today. Okay, right up to the modern day means today. However, the ongoing controversy means disagreement. Okay, disagreement or argument. Okay. However, the ongoing controversy over whether graffiti is just irresponsible vandalism. Irresponsible vandalism means damage. Irresponsible damage or art is still debated today. Okay, is still debated today. Graffiti can reveal means disclose. Okay, graffiti can reveal much to the observer about human history. Okay, what they are saying here, graffiti can reveal much to the observer about the human history. Okay, so this line is very important. What they are saying in this line, that graffiti can disclose much information about human history. Okay, this is the important line. Okay, so in this paragraph, what things we have seen what is graffiti. Graffiti are the drawing which are drawn on the walls without the permission, and most of the people think that this is a modern activity, but this activity existed since ancient time from Romans to Greek, and till today it is persist. Okay, however, ongoing controversy over graffiti is just irresponsible damage or art is still debated today. Okay, graffiti, but graffiti can reveal so much of information about human history. Okay, so these things we have getting from this paragraph. Okay, so now let's see our list of heading. Okay, and understand. Okay, so now let's see. So in first, so the first one is one instance of a linguistic rarity. Linguistic means they are talking about some language. Okay, linguistic means language. Okay, language rarity. Okay, so in first paragraph, means a paragraph, we have not seen anything regarding example of something linguistic language. Okay, so we will cancel out this. The best example of a family history. So in a paragraph, we have not seen anything regarding the best example of something. Okay, so we'll cancel out this also. Levels of literacy in the public arena. In first paragraph, we have not seen anything regarding some of the levels or stages. Okay, so we will cancel out this also. Okay, similarities between ancient and modern. Okay, we have seen graffiti, but we have not seen anything regarding similarities between ancient and modern graffiti. Okay, we have not seen anything regarding in a paragraph. We have not seen regarding this in our a paragraph. Okay, so we will cancel out this also. The graffiti debate continues. Yes, we have seen this. We have seen this debate word. Okay, so we will take 5 and we will write 5 these Roman numerical in our answer sheet. Okay, in front of 1. Okay, in front of 1 we will write numerical number 5. Okay, in our answer sheet. Try to understand this. Okay, how we are getting our answer? The graffiti debates continues. Okay, how we are getting our answer? From a paragraph, what things they are, the ongoing controversy over whether graffiti is just irresponsible vandalism or art is still debated today. Still debated today. Ongoing from these lines, from here to here. Okay, from here to here we are getting our first answer. Try to understand this. However, the ongoing controversy over whether graffiti is just irresponsible vandalism or art, it's still debated today. Okay, I hope you understood this, how we have marked our right answer. Okay, I hope you understood this. The graffiti debate continues till today. Okay, till today the graffiti debate continues till today. So in a paragraph, this thing they have mentioned. Okay, so that's why we have written numerical number 5. Okay, in front of 1. Okay, and we will write numerical number 5 in our answer sheet in front of first number. Okay, so I hope you understood this. So now let's quickly move towards our B paragraph. Okay, I hope you understood. If you have any question, please you can comment me in the comment box. I will try my best, okay, to explain you. So now let's quickly read our B paragraph, okay. Looking at the graffiti can unearth snippets of information about a society in any given time. Okay, so what here they are saying? They are saying looking at graffiti can unearth. What do you mean by unearth? What do you mean by unearth? Unearth means to reveal. Okay, to reveal or to excavate. Okay, so unearth means find something in the ground by digging up, or excavate or reveal. Okay, looking at the graffiti can reveal snippets of information. What do you mean by snippets? Snippets means a piece. Snippets means a piece or fragment. Okay, looking at graffiti can reveal a piece of information about a society in any given time. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, for example, here they are talking about some example. Okay, for example, when graffiti is in the form of words or verse, it can demonstrate the numbers of people who would read and write within a particular society. Okay, who would read and write. Okay, here they are talking about what? Here they are talking about read and write means they are talking about the education, they are talking about the knowledge. Okay, okay. So what they are saying, for example, when graffiti is in the form of words or verse, it can demonstrate the numbers of people who could read and write within a particular society. It can be discerned. What do you mean by discern? Discern means recognized or find out. It can be recognized by analyzing spelling patterns and even grammatical errors, as well as discovering how some words were pronounced. Okay, try to understand each paragraph is important. Okay, in ancient examples, okay, here they are talking about ancient examples, here they are talking about the for example. Okay, here they are talking about the ancient examples. Graffiti is often some of the most public writing available for the wider society to see. In ancient examples, they are talking about ancient examples. In ancient examples, graffiti is often some of the most public writings. Most public writings, okay? Most public writing available for the wider society to see. Okay? The Romans, for instance, means they are talking about the Romans examples. Okay? For instance means for example. Okay, the Romans, for instance, tended to carve graffiti into the monuments and walls, and even though the writing was simplistic, it still gives us an invaluable insight into the life on the street. Okay, historical text may not be able to provide us with such information. Okay, historical text, here they are talking about the historical text, may not be able to provide us with such information. Okay, so in this paragraph, what we have seen examples, we have seen Roman examples, we have seen ancient examples, and we have seen the example that how many number of people who would read and write within a particular society. Okay, so these three things we have seen in this paragraph. Okay, so now let's see our lists of headings. Okay, so first number, one instance of a linguistic rarity. Okay, one instance of linguistic rarity means language rarity they are talking about. Okay, one instance means they are talking about the example only, but here they are talking about the example of some language rarity. Okay, so we will cancel out this. The best example of a family history, we have seen the best example, but we have not seen this family history. Okay, in B paragraph. Third number, levels of literacy in the public arena. This thing we have seen. So how this public arena is associated with this paragraph? How? Public arena means they are talking about the particular society. Okay, levels of literacy in the public. Okay, levels of literacy in a particular society. Okay, so we will write 3 numerical number in front of 2 in our answer sheet. Okay, so how we are getting our answer, this answer, how we are getting this? levels of literacy in the public arena. Okay, so as we have seen in this paragraph here, for example, when graffiti is in the form of words or words, it can demonstrate the number of people, okay, who would read and write within a particular society. Okay, so from these lines it can demonstrate the numbers of people who would read and write within a particular. So from here to here we are getting our another answer. Okay, when graffiti is in the form of words or words, it can demonstrate the number of people. Okay, this is very important, number of people who would read and write within a particular society. Okay, particular society means public arena. Particular society means public arena. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, so that's why we have written numerical number 3. Okay, Roman numerical number 3 in front of 2. We will write the numerical number 3 in front of 2 in our answer sheet. Okay, so let's move forward towards our third paragraph, but let's see whether we are getting our answers or not in yes, no, not given also. So the majority of people are wrong about the origins of graffiti. Okay, so the majority of people are wrong about the origins of graffiti. Yes, we have seen something like this. Okay, we have seen, I think in previous paragraph only we have seen this thing. Okay, yes, here in previous paragraph, friends. Okay, most people might believe that graffiti is a relatively modern phenomena, yet this practice has existed since ancient times, from the Romans to the Greeks, right up to the modern day. Okay, from here, most of the people might believe that graffiti is a relatively modern phenomena, but this practice has existed since ancient times. Okay, from the Romans to the Greeks, right up to the modern day. So from here to here we are getting our first yes, no, not given. Okay, so yes, the most means majority. Okay, the majority of the people are wrong, yes, about the origins of graffiti. Okay, most of the people think that this is a recent phenomena, this is a modern world activity, but no, this is the thing present in the past. Okay, so in paragraph they have given the same thing. Okay, so yes, the statement and the statement given in the paragraph both agrees with each other. Okay, so we will write yes in front of 7 number in our answer sheet. Okay, these both things are agreeing with each other. Okay, so that's why we will write yes in front of 7 in our answer sheet. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, so now let's quickly move towards our next question. Analyzing graffiti is a complex and challenging task. Okay, we have not seen anything regarding analyzing of something or what. Okay, number 9, graffiti is a useful source of information about how people once lived. Yes, this thing we have seen in our recent paragraph only we have seen. Okay, recent paragraph only we have seen this. Okay, so here this line. Okay, it still gives means they are talking about graffiti still give us an invaluable insight into the life on the street. Okay, from here to here. Okay, the Romans, for instance, tended to carve graffiti in the monuments and walls, and even though the writing was simplistic, okay, it still gives us an invaluable insight into the life on the street. Okay, it provides invaluable information. Okay, invaluable insight means they are talking about invaluable information into the life on the street. Okay, so from here to here, from here to here. Okay, we are getting our another answer also. Okay, so the same thing they are asking here. Okay, graffiti is a useful source of information about how people once lived. Okay, yes, the same thing is given. So that's why we will write yes in front of 9 in our answer sheet. Okay, I hope you understood this. So we have done our 7 number, we have done our 9 number, okay. 10 number, graffiti about issues that affect women. So we are not getting anything regarding women, okay. Till now we are not getting anything regarding this, okay. So now let's quickly move towards our next question type. Although writing in the Roman graffiti is simple, we have seen this Roman graffiti, okay. We have seen this Roman graffiti in our B paragraph only, okay. So although the Roman graffiti is simple, it is difficult to interpret, it remains relatively hidden, it reveals important aspect of the society, it is still published in history book. Okay, so let's quickly read it again and understand. Okay, so the Romans, okay, here the Romans, for instance, tended to carve graffiti into the monuments and walls, and even though the writings was simple, okay, this thing was asked in question, okay, even though the writing was simple, it still gives us an invaluable information into the life on the street. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, then also, even though writing in the Roman graffiti is simple, it provides lot of information. Okay, so let's see, it is difficult to interpret. No, they are not talking anything regarding interpretation. Okay, so we will cancel out this. It remains relatively hidden. No, they are not talking anything regarding anything hidden or something. Okay, see, it reveals means disclose important aspects of the society. Yes, even though the writing in the Roman graffiti is simple, it reveals the important aspect of the society. Okay, yes, this will be our answer, and it is still published in history books. So this type of word we have not seen this type of word history book we have not seen in the entire paragraph. Okay, so we will cancel out this also. So Roman graffiti writing was simple, but it also reveals the important aspect of the society. So we will write C in front of 11 in our answer sheet. Okay, I hope you understood this. So now let's see our another question. The writer suggests that during certain times in history, graffiti. So certain times in history, we are not getting anything regarding this. Okay, so let's move forward. Okay, let's move forward with our C paragraph. Okay, so in list of heading also we have completed our 2 questions. Okay, so now let's quickly move towards our C paragraph and let's see whether we are getting our answers or not. Let's find. In some cases, the presence of graffiti give us the only example of a particular language that exists. Here see, the language word came. Language mean linguistic. Okay, language mean they are talking about linguistic. Okay, linguistic word. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, here they are talking about the language. In this paragraph they are talking about the language. Okay, so now let's quickly read it. In some cases, the presence of graffiti give us the only example of a particular language that exists in the modern world. Okay, take the Saffiatic language for example. Dating from the 1st century BCE, Saffiatic is an ancient form of Arabic and can only be found on rocks in the deserts of Saudi Arabia, Jordan and Syria. Okay, here they are talking about some language. Which language? Saffiatic language. Okay, Saffiatic is an ancient form. It is an ancient form of Arabic and can only be found on the rocks in the deserts of Saudi Arabia, Jordan and Syria. Okay, the inscription documented or engraved mainly show the authors, okay, basic thoughts about everyday life or their genealogy. What do you mean by genealogy? Genealogy means a line of descendant traced continuously from an ancestors, okay, and are sometimes accompanied by rock art, okay. The discovery of virtually lost language, was exciting for researchers, exciting, as it allowed them to attempt to document linguistic changes over a period of time. Okay, so in this paragraph we are getting that three things we are getting. Okay, they are talking about the language that exists in the modern world. Okay, they have given example of Safaitic language. Okay, and they are talking about the discovery of a virtually lost language. Okay, so in this entire paragraph they are talking about the language. Okay, so now let's quickly see. So number one, okay, the first one will be our answer. Okay, the one instance of a linguistic rarity. Here they are talking about linguistic means language, Safaitic language. Rarity means I have already told the state or quality of being rare. Okay, the same thing in C paragraph. In C paragraph they have mentioned the same thing. Okay, they have mentioned the same thing. Okay, only example means they are talking about the one instance. Only example means only one instance. Only means only one. Only means only one. Only example means one instance of a linguistic rarity means they are talking about. Sorry. In some cases, the presence of graffiti give us the only example. Okay, only example means one instance. Only an example of a particular language that exists in the modern world. Take the Safaitic language for example. Okay, I hope you understood this. So from this to this, okay, we are getting our answer. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, so we will write one numerical number, Roman numerical number in front of 3 in our answer sheet. Okay, so now let's quickly see whether we are getting our answers, other answers or not. Analyzing graffiti is a complex and challenging task. So in ABC paragraph we have not seen anything regarding this complex and challenging task. Okay, so let's move forward. Graffiti about issues that affect women. So we have not seen anything regarding women. Okay, so we will move forward. So let's see. The writer suggests that during certain times in history, graffiti, they are talking about some certain times in history. Okay, so we are not getting anything regarding this also. Okay, so now let's quickly move towards our next paragraph, that is D paragraph. Okay, so now let's quickly read it. Like the Romans, the Mayans scratched, okay, their graffiti onto the surface of a walls, okay, leaving it almost impossible to erase. Impossible to erase means impossible to remove. Okay, the graffiti of the ancient Mayans in Central America has not been studied extensively, but a closer analysis of it may help us gain a more in-depth understanding of. Okay, first let's understand these lines. Okay, the graffiti of the ancient Mayans in Central Asia has not been studied extensively. Okay, they have not studied it detail. Okay, they have not studied it in detail. Okay, has not been studied in detail, but a closer analysis of it may help us gain a more in-depth understanding of their society. Okay, okay, those examples that have been studied depict scenes of everyday life as well as more ceremonial scenes. Okay, those examples that have been studied, okay, depicts scenes of everyday life, okay, as well as more ceremonial scenes means some functions, okay, okay, some gatherings. Okay, The examples include representation of the humans and the prey they hunted. Okay, so they are mentioning the examples. Okay, the examples include representation of the humans and the prey they hunted, which would indicate how the society functioned and what food they ate. Okay, there may also be instances of instruction of how to play games. Okay, as well as instructions of a more ceremonial nature. Indeed, at certain pivotal moment in history, perhaps the only way to record events was through graffiti. Okay, in these lines, what they are saying that indeed at certain pivotal moments in history, okay, perhaps the only way to record events was through graffiti, such as construction worker comments before the volcanic eruption at Pompeii, or names of soldiers during battles like the Egypt campaign by Napoleon in the 1790s. Okay, so here what they are saying, that graffiti is the best way to record events. Okay, graffiti is the best way to record events. Okay, so this is the important line. Okay, so now let's see whether we are getting our answers or not. So now let's see. So in this D paragraph, we have seen the examples of graffiti, what they are mentioning in graffiti. Okay, so they are mentioning their everyday life schedule, some ceremonial scenes. Okay, the representation of human and prey they hunted. Okay, also they are showing instruction of how to play games. Also they are showing instruction of some more ceremonial nature. Okay, and it is the best way to record events in history. Okay, graffiti is the best way to record events in history. Okay, so now let's see in D paragraph. Let's quickly read our list of headings. So we have already ticked our number 1. So now let's quickly read it. The best example of a family history. So we have not getting anything regarding some family history. Okay, similarities between ancient and modern. We have not seen anything regarding similarities between ancient and modern in D paragraph. Okay, in D paragraph we are talking about D paragraph. Okay, so 6 number, what official record can tell us? Okay, what official record can tell us? So this type of thing also we have not seen. Understudied graffiti examples. Yes, understudied means the same thing we have seen in D paragraph, only the same thing here. Okay, the same thing. Let's quickly read it again. Okay, like the Romans, the Mayans scratched their graffiti on the surface of the walls, leaving it almost impossible to remove the graffiti from here. Okay, the graffiti of the ancient Mayans in Central America has not been studied in detail. Okay, understudied means, what am I understudied? Understudied means has not been studied extensively. Okay, but a closer analysis of it may help us to gain a more in-depth understanding of their society. Okay, of their society. Okay, so we are getting our answer. So from here. Okay, so from these lines, okay, till here. Okay, we are getting our another answer. Okay, so in D paragraph we will write understudied graffiti examples. Okay, so we will write 7 Roman number. Okay, sorry, we will write 7 Roman number in front of 4 in our answer sheet. Okay, how we are getting our answer? This answer understudied. Okay, understudied means so understudied, they are talking about the understudied examples. Okay, the graffiti of the ancient Mayans in Central America has not been studied extensively by a closer, but a closer analysis of it may help us gain more in-depth and understanding of their society. Okay, those examples have been studied. So those examples have been studied, depict scenes of those. So they are mentioning here these examples, these studied examples. Okay, these are the studied examples they are talking about. Okay, so That's why we have written under studied graffiti examples. Okay, this 7 number, this Roman number 7, we will write in front of D in our answer sheet. Okay, I hope you understood it. I hope you understood this. Okay, so let's quickly move towards our next question. So we are not getting anything regarding analyzing. Okay, 10 number, we are not getting anything regarding women till now. So now let's quickly move. So the writer suggests that during certain times in history, graffiti, we have seen this thing. We have seen this thing. Okay, graffiti was the sole method of documenting events. Yes, yes, we have seen this thing. We have seen the same thing. Okay, so we will write A in front of 12 in our answer sheet. How we are getting our answer, how we have tick our correct answer here. The writer suggests that during certain times in history, graffiti, okay, here I told you that this is the important line. Okay, indeed, at certain pivotal moments in history, okay, this is our keyword, perhaps the only way to record events was through graffiti. Okay, and such as construction worker comments before the volcanic eruption at Pompeii, or the names of soldiers during battles like the Egyptian campaign by Napoleon in the 1790. Okay, so from this to this we are getting our answer. Okay, graffiti is the only way to record events. Okay, only way to record events in history. Okay, so from here we are getting our answer. Okay, from here to here. Okay, I hope you understood this. I hope you understood this. Okay, so that's why we have written A. We have tick A option. Okay, and we will write A in front of 12 in our answer sheet. Okay, and here the writer concludes. Okay, so let's see our next paragraph. Our 2 paragraphs are remaining, E and F. So now let's quickly read it. So now let's quickly read it. These ancient examples of graffiti are just a snapshot of the wealth of graffiti to be found across the globe. Okay, so these ancient examples are just a small piece of the wealth of graffiti to be found across the globe. Okay, it is just a small piece or fragment. Okay, these ancient examples of graffiti are just a piece of the wealth of graffiti to be found across the globe. Okay, these very public displays of communication are a key part of understanding some of the history of the society's communication. Okay, which may not have been recorded officially. Okay, what they are saying here, they are saying some of the communication are a key part of understanding some of the history of society which may not have been recorded officially. Okay, in official text they have not some things are not mentioned. Okay, but the graffiti displays that. Okay, so now let's quickly read it, move forward. But what about graffiti today? Okay, but what about graffiti today? The method of creating graffiti may have changed from carving to using spray paints, but is it essentially the same thing? Okay, but it is essentially the same thing they are asking. Graffiti artists of the modern era, like those before them, depict both political and social concerns with their art. Okay, Banksy. Okay, this is the name of Banksy, an anonymous British street artist. For example, comments on politics and social issues. Yes, okay, with his distinctive style of art, and is now considered to be one of the most insightful artists of our time, with his work selling for millions. Lesser known than Banksy, but still as important is Bambi. So Bambi is not as famous as Banksy. Okay, but still important. He's not famous, but still important. Okay, still important. Okay, another British street artist. Okay, Bambi is also British street artist. Okay, she uses her talent to portray female identity and injustices within the social and political spheres. Okay, what they are saying here, they are saying that Bambi uses her talent to portray female identity and injustice within the social political spheres. Female means they are talking about women. Okay, so we have got our another keyword. Okay, we have got our another keyword. So in this paragraph, what they are saying, they are saying that they are saying regarding something recordings, okay, something who which have been not recorded officially, okay, and they are asking graffiti in ancient and in today's world, okay, they are. But what about graffiti today? Okay, the method of creating graffiti may have changed from carving to using spray paints, but it is essentially the same thing. Okay, and here they are talking about the graffiti artist Bansky and Bambi. Okay, Bambi talks about women injustices, okay, within the social and political spheres. Okay, so these 3-4 things we have seen in E paragraph. So now let's quickly read it. Let's quickly read our lists of heading. Okay, the best example of feminism. So this thing we have not seen. Okay? So we will cancel out this also. Okay. So similarities between ancient and modern. Okay. Yes, they are talking about. In this paragraph, they are talking about the ancient graffiti and modern graffiti. Okay, so from here the method of creating graffiti may have changed from carving to using spray paint, but it is essentially the same thing. Okay, same thing means they are talking about the similarity. So from this to this. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, the method of creating graffiti may have changed from carving to using spray paint, but it is essentially the same thing. Same thing means similarity. They are talking about similarity. Okay, so yes, we will write. 4 number. We will write Roman number 4 in our answer sheet in front of 5. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, similarities between ancient and modern, they are talking about the graffiti. Okay, okay, this is the same thing they are asking. Okay, this, I hope you understood this. Okay, from this line, okay, the method of creating graffiti may have changed from carving to using spray paint, but it is essentially the same thing. Same thing means they are talking about the similarity. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, so now let's quickly, and here we have also got our another keyword female, which means woman. So now let's see whether we are getting our answer or not. So let's see. Oh, okay. So we have not seen anything regarding analyzing graffiti is a complex or challenging task. Okay, so we have not seen anything regarding in A to E paragraph. We have not seen anything regarding this. Okay, but we have seen this woman word. Okay, woman means they are talking about female. Okay, graffiti about issues that affect women is less significant than other social commentary. Okay, no, this statement is contradicting. How? See here. Okay, Bambi uses her talent to portray female identity and injustice within the social and political sphere. She equally portraying the injustices within the social and political spheres. Okay, he equally portraying the female identity and injustices within the social and political spheres. Okay, but in question what they are asking? That graffiti about issues that affect women is less significant than other social commentary. Okay, so this thing is contradicting. Okay, Bambi portraying everything. Okay, she is not portraying that the issues she has not say let's see here, okay, just understand this, okay. She uses her talent to portray female identity and injustice within the social and political spheres, okay. So what here they are saying that they are saying that female identity and injustices within social and political spheres she portraying equally, okay. And in question what they are saying, what they are asking in question, graffiti about issues that affect women is less significant than other social commentary, okay. So this statement is entirely contradicting, okay, entirely contradicting. So we will write no in front of 10 in our answer sheet, okay. In paragraph what they are saying that she portrays the human identity and injustices in social as a social issues and in as a and in political sphere, okay. She uses her talent to portray female identity and injustice within the social and political spheres, okay. And here what they are saying graffiti about issues that affect issues that affect women is less significant than other social commentary, okay. So this will be the false, this will be the no, okay. I hope you understood this, okay. So friends, I hope you understood this, how we have written no, okay. Okay, so now let's quickly move towards our another question type, that is the writer concludes by suggesting that, okay. So our last paragraph is remaining, so let's quickly read our last paragraph first, okay. So now let's quickly read our last paragraph, that is F paragraph. So now let's quickly read it, okay. Bambi and Bansky contribute to a movement known as urban art, which first started as an underground artistic subculture, okay, but which is now understood to be a popular art form due to the wide recognition it has received, okay. However, the very form of art they produce is still considered vandalism in many areas. Some people see it as a scourge. What do you mean by scourge? Scourge means a person or thing that causes a lot of trouble, okay, trouble, okay. Some people see it as a trouble or on our landscape, and in some countries it is illegal to deface public property. What do you mean by deface? Deface means spoil the surface or appearance, okay, by drawing or writing on it, okay, okay. In some countries local governments and council persist in erasing any graffiti they perceive to be destructive and may even look to prosecute the artist. What is clear though is that no matter your thoughts on graffiti and street art, it demonstrates public feelings and societal thoughts at the time of its creation. It can also give an indication to future generation of beliefs, lifestyle and language which are often not recorded in official history books, okay. So what here they are saying that what they are saying in this paragraph, what they are saying that Bambi and Bansky contribute to a movement known as urban art, first started underground and which is now understood to be a popular art form due to the wide recognition it has received. However, the very form of the art they produce still considered as vandalism, okay. Vandalism, I have already told you that damage to the public or private property, okay, in many areas. Some people see it as a scourge. Scourge means trouble on our landscape, and in some countries it is illegal to deface, or deface means spoil, okay, to spoil public property. In some countries local government and council persist in erasing any graffiti they perceive to be destructive and may even look to prosecute the artist, okay. What is clear though is that no matter your thoughts on graffiti and street art, it demonstrates public feeling on and societal thoughts at the time of its creation. It can also give an indication to future generation of beliefs and lifestyle and language which are often not recorded in the official history books, okay. So now let's see whether we are getting our answers or not, okay. So in F paragraph, okay. So now let's quickly read it. So the best example, no, we have not seen anything regarding this. Okay, and what official record can tell us? Okay, so here what they are saying official record can tell us this type of thing also we have not seen in E paragraph. Okay, sorry, F paragraph. Okay, so we will cancel out this also. And from small beginning to the mixed reaction, yes, from small beginnings means from underground to the world recognition. Yes, yes, this will be our answer. So we will write Roman number 8 in front of 6 in our answer sheet. Okay, how we have tick this answer. How? From small beginnings to mixed reaction. Small beginnings means they are talking about this. Okay, Bambi and Bansky contribute to a movement known as urban art, which first started as an underground artistic subculture. Means small beginning. Underground artistic subculture means they are talking about small beginning, which is now understood to be popular art form due to the wide recognition it has received. Okay, so from these lines, from these to these lines we are getting our answer. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, from this to this line we are getting our answer. Okay, underground artistic subculture means they are talking about the small beginning, and after that, and after but which is now understood to be popular art form due to wide recognition it has received. Okay, so the same thing they have mentioned in list of heading. From small beginning means they are talking about the underground subculture to the mixed reaction. Now it is well known. Okay, now the graffiti is well known. Okay, so this, with this we have completed our list of headings. Okay, we have completed our list of headings. Okay, and in last paragraph also we have not seen anything regarding analyzing graffiti is a complex or challenging task. So we will write not given in front of 8 in our answer sheet. Okay, we will write not given in front of 8 in our answer sheet. Okay, I hope you understood this. Why we have written not given? Because in the entire passage, in the every paragraph, we have not seen anything regarding analyzing graffiti is a complex or challenging task. Okay, and our last question is remaining. The writer conclude by suggesting that, okay, graffiti artists will be revered throughout the world, will be admired throughout the world. So this type of thing we have not seen. Okay, graffiti will continue to leave a lasting legacy. Yes, this type of thing we have seen. This thing we have seen. Okay, so we will write, we will tick B option. Okay, some countries will make graffiti as a legal art form. No, the general public will come to see. So this type of thing we have not seen. Okay, graffiti will continue to leave a lasting legacy. How we are getting our answer? How? From the same paragraph only. From the same paragraph only. What is clear? Understand this. Okay, what is clear though is that no matter your thought on graffiti and art sheet, it demonstrates public feelings. It demonstrate means they are talking about graffiti. Graffiti demonstrate public feeling and societal thoughts at the time of its creation. It can also give an indication to the future generation of belief, lifestyle and language which are often not recorded in the official history books. Okay, so from this to this, okay, we are getting our answer. Future generation means they are talking about future. Okay, so same thing they have mentioned here. Graffiti will continue means they are talking about the future. Graffiti will continue to leave a lasting legacy. Okay, so that's why we have tick B here. Okay, and we will write B in front of 13 in our answer sheet. Okay, so with this question we have completed the entire passage. Okay, the title of the passage was Graffiti, Historical Evidence or Vandalism. Okay, I hope you understood this. Try to understand, try to practice as much as you can. Okay, friends.